Welcome to the design department. Today I want to briefly walk through our step-by-step car design process. We always begin with sketching by hand to quickly explore creative concepts and shapes. And next we have a sketch review meeting to select the best ideas. Once approved, we move into digital 3D modeling to bring the sketches into a three-dimensional virtual space. After that, we create full-scale clay models to analyze the car's physical proportions and aerodynamics in real life. Simultaneously, our colors and materials design team selects the perfect textures and paints. Finally, we conduct a final confirmation check before sending the design to production. Every step is better to ensure our cars are both beautiful and functional. Thank you for listening.